One is a Robusta.
Robusta. And this one?
This is the cacao. Chocolate.
Alka, chocolate.
Yeah.
Cow.
Yes.
We got one, this one.
Already? This is vanilla.
Vanilla. We have also
Yeah,
this.
you have it.
Yes. Yeah, vanilla is got.
Vanilla.
Very expensive vanilla.
Yes, expensive.
We had the one in the. I put that in
Where's the
the.
big ones?
There's no big one yet.
Yeah,
because
just-
we're the small.
Yeah, the curly cross, the half.
This cacao is got cacao.
That's the cacao. Ready to harvest.
The yellow, ready to harvest.
Yeah, this yellow is ready.
Yes. That's cacao. Coffee plantation.
This we have the snake skin fruit.
Which one?
This the fruit.
What's fruit of that?
We call in Indonesia is salak.
Salak.
Sarap.
Salak.
Sarap. It's tasty.
Ah, you like, sir?
Yeah,
Have to try that.
They look
It's
like
like a chestnut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you come from?
Philippines.
The coffee, if they're ready, you have those. They will have the red color like this.
What coffee of
And this is Arabica.
Arabica?
Yeah, that's all the Arabica because in here more popular is Arabica type.
Yes.
This is the coffee bean. Sorry. This is the coffee bean inside. If you want try to eat, you can try.
What the face?
The
Coffee.
sweet one, not bitter. This one. But you not eat the skin, yeah? Just swallow the seed inside. Yeah. Not bitter. Sweet.
Arabica. It's not really high, not really.
There's the coconut.
It's not really high, this cacao.
Yeah.
Wow.
This cacao is
Cacao.
This is mangosteen.
Mangosteen. Scat. Mangosteen.
Mangosteen tree. This is the mangosteen.
We don't have this.
We do. We have
Uh,
about 6. Not like this.
we have the... really? So we can have mangosteens.
Yeah, letter inside you can try in the tea. Use the skin and the skin.
Oh. That's coffee. This is the way how you make.
Animals. Aswa.
Kaluwa coffee, this expensive one.
Yes, tinawa na.
Yeah, kaluwa coffee, Scott.
Yes,
Scott.
yeah, like you can.
Did you see?
Yeah,
I
kaluwa.
have one in my garden.
Always coming. Always
Filipino.
coming.
So they come.
Yes,
Nice.
they eat our fruit.
Yes, they like it.
Guyabano,
Yes.
they like everything. The papaya, they finish all our fruit.
Yes.
Kaluwa.
It's like the
Pero-
coffee.
They're sleeping. They awake in the evening.
Yeah, because they know too much. So they just active at the night.
Yes. They came to our garden and they eat all our fruit.
Yeah, they wild animals. You want to see the example process coming?
Yes. This is the way how they do. Process their coffees. Hello.
This is the spices, madam. And here we use for tea.
Tea, yeah, ginger.
Yes, this is ginger. The normal ginger.
I know this. What is this?
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Very good for
Turmeric.
cancer.
Yes, we have in the tea. This is aromatic ginger.
And this is
We call kanjur in here.
Indian
You can
ginger.
smell
this
it.
is normal.
Yeah,
I
normal
smell.
ginger. This is the kanjur.
And this one,
White
pepper.
pepper.
White pepper.
Black pepper, galangal,
What's mean?
galangal, lausch.
Oh,
Yeah, this is cinnamon.
lemongrass.
Yeah, lemongrass and cacao beans.
I have this lemongrass.
Yes, you grow also at home.
Yeah, yeah.
Lemongrass.
So you have
Philippines.
the garden.
Yeah.
No, not big. Small.
In the
Good.
backyard.
Yeah. Backyard, front yard.
Yes, this is the food from the animal.
Just a poo-poo coffee.
Yeah,
poo.
Cat poo. We call cappuccino in
And
here.
then the last time they make poo-poo,
The
the
garden should
long one.
take it out the garden.
But we only process the poo poo with the coffee beans.
It's expensive. I'm sorry.
But we need to clean first. Yes, we clean first with the hot water. After clean, then we dry.
I see, become like that.
Yes, that become like that, and then we will peel off the skin. So we not use the skin, just only use the clean bean inside. Yeah. Yes, this is the process.
And this, the next, this
Yes,
one.
it's already clean, already without the skin.
And then now,
Now roasting in here. Yes, after roasting, madam.
and then this the one.
Yes. After roasting, we grind it first in here. And then is it finished. This is the final product. But this one not from the animals.
This is different.
This is normal. From Arabica, or we call Bali coffee.
Smell good.
We have the Tangus coffee. There you go.
Ano?
The Tangus coffee.
Tangas coffee. That's from Arabica and Robusta.
It looks like something like that.
Alright. Okay, so now we're going to insert. We give you some vegetables. That's for the roasting.
For roasting, what's this coffee?
Yes, the coffee.
This is the way how you do it.
1 kilo for 1 hour.
1 kilo.
For 1 hour. So we not use the machine.
Thank
We still
you.
use traditional.
Very. They are active in the evenings. Kat. This is a big.
They just wake up for straight.
How many you have? 4.
We have only 4 for the example.
We have too much in the garden. They came in the evening.
Yeah, they all in here, but they sleep on the top of the
So
tree.
you just live
Yeah.
like that.
Yes.
The leaf poo poo.
Yeah, look at
You remember I told you there's a big poo-poo like
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Good stuff.
But I removed. They have coffee. And they are selling coffees. Okay.
So we have a set of
Yeah, luwak coffees. They are selling. Kaliwa coffee.
We have
Cat.
set this little bit because we have 2 size.
Okay.
And the rest like the tea and coffee with flavor, just 200 grams.
Okay.
And 140,000.
It's like 200 grams, like 1 quart.
£7.
Something
So
like that.
yes, enough for 20 cups in that yes.
20 cups.
Yes.
Alright, we try 1 by 1. One a day.
Taste that. Honesty.
I like
With ice will be good.
this one.
You could drink cold coffee. Cold.
Cold now. Coffee. Lawak Coffee, Bali, Indonesia. Good morning. He's the one who will lead it.
buy these, you have to look after them. Got mangosteen tea, I've got cacao, I've got coffee, barley natural coffee.
Then avocado coffee, coconut coffee. What's this? This is Zippy's $100. So one chocolate syrup. We have vanilla, orange, and original chocolate.
They're sweet.
This we have already with brown sugar.
Chocolate.
You can try first. This is the
Wow. Good.
One dark chocolate is very good for you.
Good for the body.
orange, this vanilla.
Stay away from my chocolate.
Sarap. Good good chocolate.
Mangosteen tea, I've got mangosteen.
Have you spices?
Where's the mangosteen?
That's real saffron. How much?
I love